Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one more important question in FANG interview questions. The question is how to merge two sorted lists. From the question itself, you can understand that you'll be giving the two lists, and the two lists are individually sorted. How we are going to merge the two lists and finally come up with a sorted list. So very this is pretty simple, and this is also again a simple one-liner code. So there is a function called as sorted here. So I'll call it sorted here. What sorted does is when you pass a list as an argument to this will convert the list into a sorted form. So now we are not only interested only in a single list, we need to merge them, and then finally we want it in a sorted form. So that is also a pretty simple. We'll just combine these two lists, my list 1 plus my list 2. So this will combine this two lists. So this particular plus argument will act as an concatenation operation, and this will add this two into a single list, and that particular list will be sorted, and we'll try to store it in a variable. Okay, we'll name it as merged sorted list is equal to this. So let us display it. We'll give merged sorted list. Let us display it and check. Okay, whether this got an RX as our expected output. Let us run it. So I'm not displaying for list 1 and list 2. This is pretty simple. You can observe here 1, 2, 3, 40, 50. This is in a sorted order, ascending order. And 1, 2, 13, 34, 50. This is also in ascending order as per its list 2. So our interest is merge them to sort them and give back the sorted list. So what I did, I concatenated here, and then I applied sorted method and I stored it back. So let us have a look here. 1 from list 1 maybe, 1 from list 2. Again 2, 2 from list 1 and 2 from list 2. Then 3 from list 1, 13 from list 2, 34 from list 2, 40 from list 1, 50 from list 2, 55 from list 1. So if you could observe, this is again in a sorted form 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 13, 34, 40, 50, and 45. 55. So this is in sorted order. But if there is a possibility that the element appears in both the lists, this got displayed as such. So this is also a simple one liner to merge two sorted lists. Okay, for more programs please subscribe to Python Enthusiast. Thank you.